In this video, we're talking about CSS image saturate. Okay, we'll start with our HTML structure, then link it by then the next thing is to link our CSS file. Link, okay, then inside this place we locate our CSS file in our project folder. Is inside CSS folder, then select that. Okay, it's linked. Then inside our body we'll now add image. Okay, image. Inside our image we do dot slash to locate our the where our image file is located is inside image folder. Okay, then we use msc dot png. Refresh, you see the image. Okay, to our CSS now, we use element selector by using the name amg. Open a declaration block. Okay, inside that we set this our image to responsive by doing mass width, and then set it to 100%, 100%. Okay, then the next thing we'll be doing is to use a filter property. Inside the filter property we use saturate. This is the value we are looking for. Okay, so and we'll give it in percentages. Okay, any value we'll be adding to the saturated to saturate will be in percent. So first of all, add percent symbol. Then in front of it we start adding our value. Let's start with 1 and see the result. Say 1%. You can see the effect. Okay, how about 2, 3? You can see from 1 it starts having changes, which means I can also reduce it to 0. Let me start with 0.1. Okay, still going down. How about 0.01? What would that do? Okay, let me do 100% and see what it's going to give me. Okay, so 100% is a default. So the more the percentage is dropping, the more the saturated effect is having effect on the image. Okay, so to do that, let's continue by saying, let's start with, let's say, okay, since the 100 is default, we count down. So this is 100, our default. Let's do let's say 90. Okay, it's changing small. How about 80? It's changing small. How about 70? It's dropping. How about 60? It's dropping. How about 50? It's dropping. The effect is changing. 40 is also changing. 30 is also changing. You can see that effect. How about 20? Okay, how about 10%? Okay, how about 5%? You can see that. So this is what saturate does to an image in CSS. Okay, so to do that, to do this thing, you have to use a filter property, and then use the value of saturate, and then the value you enter inside the saturate parameter, the argument you add inside this parameter will be in percentage. And note that 100% is the default, so as you are counting down, you start seeing the effects or the changes of the saturate on the image. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.